My name is Esiebo. I'm a photographer and instructor for the Sony photo work training. Photojournalism and storytelling is a medium of photography in which we use to inform, to inspire, to invoke people to make action. Especially in this world where there's so many things going on around, we need stories to tell, and photojournalism, storytelling becomes important for us to really tell those stories.
My name is Sophie Bouillon. I'm a French journalist. I've been based in Lagos for the past 10 years. And I founded StoryMi Academy, which is an academy that set up programs, trainings for storytellers, photographers, filmmakers, writers. These types of workshops, they are very short, so they are already, for professional photographers. They will go on the streets, they will take pictures. It is short, but we expect to achieve a lot in these 3 days.
Hi, my name is Nengi Nelson and I'm a visual artist based here in Lagos. Today, as part of the first day of the Sony workshop, I learned the importance of having conversations with your subjects, especially from looking at Andrew's work and how in-depth it is and how he was able to sort of capture very important moments just because he understood the story prior to photography. So yeah, I was reminded of the importance of that.
One of the things that I learned is basically observation no be crime. You have to pay attention a lot for you to be able to find the juice in some of the stories. Also, composition and framing, there's a difference between the two of them. I didn't know that. That was something new I learned.
My name is Damilara Diemi. I'm a documentary photographer based in Lagos here in Nigeria. I was able to capture a photograph of a guy called Daniel. Daniel is a dispatch rider, but he dispatched using a bicycle basically. And it was interesting to know that when I met him at Eco Market, he was coming from Bagada, how he covers a lot of distance within Lagos to deliver packages. It was interesting to hear people's stories and different ways in which one could document, approach visual storytelling basically.
My name is Omolola Oni. I'm a multimedia content creator. Here for the workshop training. Ordinarily, if I'm going for personal photo walks, it's sometimes a challenge, bringing out my camera because of, you're not sure about, stout or, people on the street harassing you. But with this workshop, I've been able to build my confidence, interacting with others and, shooting in groups actually has helped, to take certain pictures that ordinarily I wouldn't even dare to take or go to places that I wouldn't, dare to go to if I'm, shooting by myself without people around. So organizing photo walks in groups actually builds confidence and helps, photographers and content creators to work as a team and to create some of their best works.